Hi, I'm John with Wagner. Your FLEXiO sprayer is great for all types of painting and staining projects. It makes them faster and less work. But sometimes, when you're working up high, like ceilings or crown molding, or down low, like staining the surface of a deck, you need a little extra reach. That's where the HVLP extension is a great accessory to use. Let me show you how to assemble the extension. First, start with the part of the extension that has the yellow sleeve on it, and slide it into the front part, making sure that the tab on the yellow sleeve lines up with the notch. Then, thread on the connecting nut, making it just hand tight is fine. Then, feed the wire through the handle. Once you've done that, remove this tape that holds the spring inside the nut and make sure not to lose that spring. Now thread the cap onto the trigger post. Don't worry about tightening it too much, we'll adjust it later. Next, you want to remove the trigger cover from your eye spray nozzle. Start by flipping it forward, and then pry one of the arms off and slide it out from underneath. Make sure you keep this for later. Now let's put the extension on the nozzle. Start with the spray extension at 90-degree angle, push it on until it stops, give it a twist, and lock it in. Then push and twist the turbine onto the back end of the extension. Now adjust the tension wire so the trigger hook just touches the trigger. You do that by tightening up the spring-loaded cap until it just reaches the trigger. Make sure you don't over-tighten it, otherwise you could end up with paint coming out when you don't want it. Now you can see how it works. The trigger at the gun activates the trigger at the spray nozzle. Last thing you want to do before your project is adjust your material flow based on your project size and the material you're spraying. Now you're ready to spray. To disassemble, remove the turbine and the spray nozzle from the extension. And don't forget to put the trigger cover back on the spray nozzle. Good luck with your project.